Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest tech products. Today, I am beyond excited to share with you my review of the original Apple iPhone 12 Pro. This revolutionary mobile phone is truly a game changer in the world of smartphones, and I can't wait to tell you all about it. First and foremost, let's talk about the incredible 5G LTE capability of this phone. In today's fast-paced world, having a reliable and lightning-fast internet connection is essential, and the iPhone 12 Pro delivers on that front and more. You'll experience seamless streaming, rapid downloads, and crystal-clear video calls like never before. The 6.1 display is absolutely stunning, and combined with the 6GB RAM and 128/256/512GB storage options, you'll have all the power and space you need to tackle any task, from gaming to productivity and everything in between. And with the A14 Bionic Hexa core processor, this phone is lightning fast and incredibly responsive. Let's not forget about the incredible camera system on the iPhone 12 Pro. With its triple 12MP setup, you'll capture every moment in unparalleled detail and clarity. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or just love snapping pictures of your everyday life, this phone will take your photos to the next level. But what sets the iPhone 12 Pro apart from the competition is its seamless integration with the iOS operating system. The user experience is simply unmatched, with intuitive navigation, top-notch security features, and a vast selection of apps and services at your fingertips. Now, if all of that isn't enough to convince you, let's talk about the design. The iPhone 12 Pro is sleek, elegant, and built to last. The premium materials and craftsmanship make it a true standout in the world of smartphones. So, why should you buy the original Apple iPhone 12 Pro? Simple. It's the ultimate mobile phone experience, offering cutting-edge technology, breathtaking design, and unparalleled performance. And the best part? You can get your hands on one right now by clicking the link in the description. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your mobile phone experience to the next level. Treat yourself to the original Apple iPhone 12 Pro today, and thank me later. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.